Hi, good morning. Thank you very much for being here. How are you today? How is your day?
Good.
Okay, I hope so. How are you today, Jorge?
Good, okay.
Okay. Can you see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay. We're going to play a quick quiz, okay? We're going to answer this quiz together, okay? Alondra, I want you to read this sentence, okay? Please.
Que te traduzca lo que dice la oración, ¿no?
Read the sentence in English. Read, please.
Ah, ok.
This one.
¿Cómo lo podría decir? No sé, capaz.
Just read the sentence. Read. Lee la oración.
Ok. Dice, the cat was small and furry.
And furry, okay? The cat
Furry. ¿Qué significa furry?
was small and furry. Esponjado. Okay? And
entiendo. Okay.
okay, so today's topic is describing adjectives, okay? And so, Alona, I want you to tell me what are the adjectives that are describing the cat here in this sentence. What are the words that are describing the cat in this sentence? Did you understand me?
Sería small, ¿no? Y
Small
furry.
and furry, okay?
Porque lo están describiendo. Están
That's
describiendo cómo es.
So we're going to do the same with all the sentence, okay? You're going to tell me what are the words that describe the noun of the sentence or the subject of the sentence, okay? For example, in this one, the cakes smelled delicious. What is the word that is describing the cake? Does anybody know?
Ahí sería delicious, ¿no?
Delicious, that's right. Okay. This one. When I go for an interview, I will dress smart and wear black, shiny shoes, okay? So what you think are the words, the adjectives that are describing the noun, which is choose, okay? Cuando voy a una entrevista, uso zapatos oscuros y lustrosos, okay? So what you think are the adjectives?
sería smart, shiny
Mhm.
y
Smart, black, and shiny, okay? That's right.
okay.
Okay, the lesson at college are fun and exciting, okay? Just like my class is fun and exciting. Okay, so what are the words that are describing, in this case, the lessons at college? What you think? What are the adjectives in this sentence?
Fun, exciting.
Yeah, fun and exciting. That's right. Thank you very much. When I get my tattoo, it will possibly be painful, but I think it will look good, okay? Here we have a more complex sentence, okay? We have two adjectives in this sentence. Please tell me what are the adjectives that you can identify. When I get my tattoo, it will possibly be painful, but I think it will look good. What are the adjectives that you can find?
Sería painful y good, ¿no?
Yeah, that's right. Painful, good. What is the meaning of painful? Does anybody know?
Sería como que colorido, ¿no?
No, painful, doloroso.
Ah, cierto.
Next year, I will be doing my child care. It might be hard, but I'm excited. Okay. So what you think is the adjective in this sentence? We have two adjectives in this sentence.
Hard y excited.
Excited. Okay. Hard, duro. Excited, emocionante. Okay. I'd love to take the dog for a walk. He's white and his name is Coast. Okay. Here we have just one adjective in this sentence. What do you think is the adjective? I love to take the dog for a walk. Amo pasear a mi perro. He is white, él es blanco, and his name is Ghost. Y su nombre es Ghost. What do you think is the adjective in this sentence? You can look at the picture. You can notice the white top, okay?
Pues sería white, ¿no?
Horse, yeah, white, blanco. I have painted my lawn. It is now bright, okay? What do you think is the adjective? This sentence, we have just in one adjective, okay? It's a color. Do you have any idea?
Red.
Okay, red, that's right. I am counting down to Christmas. It is a special time of year. Estoy contando los días pues, para la Navidad, ¿no? Es una temporada especial del año. It is a special time of year. What you think is the adjective?
Special.
And what is the meaning in Spanish? Special. What you think, Alondra?
Especial, ¿no?
Yeah. It's similar to Spanish, right? Okay. Our LSAs are very helpful and supportive. Okay. What you think are the adjectives in this sentence? Because we have two adjectives in this sentence.
Sería helpful and supportive.
Yeah, that's right. Helpful and supportive. Okay. Thank you very much. Now I'm going to explain you the adjectives in a more deep way, okay? Adjectives, as you notice, indicate qualities and features, characteristics, okay? And, okay, and we have different types of adjectives. The first type is adjectives for opinion and value, okay? And here we have some examples: delicious, wonderful, and pretty, okay? And for example, the first one, delicious. What do you think this adjective means in Spanish? Delicious.
En español, delicioso.
Delicioso. That's right. It's very similar to Spanish. I think it's easy to know the meaning of that adjective, okay? I'm going to write you on the chat box more and opinion or value adjectives, okay? For example, good, okay? Bad, can you see the adjectives or the words that I brought you in the chat box, guys? ¿Pueden ver los adjetivos que les escribí?
Yes.
Okay. Can you, Alondra, can you read the adjectives, please?
Yes. Good, bad, great, terrible, beautiful, pretty, comfortable, no recuerdo cómo se pronuncia, angle, strange, tasty.
Okay, it's pronounced comfortable, okay? Comfortable. I know that it's difficult to pronounce. Comfortable, okay? And do you know the meaning of those adjectives? Alondra?
¿Qué? Excuse me.
Do you know the meaning of those adjectives?
que si no sé qué significan o qué.
Que si sabes el significado de esos adjetivos.
Sí, la mayoría.
Oh, okay. What are the adjectives that you know?
Pues nada más la última, la de tasty. Esa es la que no sé, pero las demás sí.
Okay, tasty is delicioso. It's another way of saying delicioso, okay? You can say delicious or tasty, okay? It's the same.
Ah, ok.
Okay. Good, bueno. Bad, malo. Great, grandioso. Terrible, terrible, terrible. I think it's similar to Spanish, okay? Beautiful, hermoso. Pretty, bonito. Comfortable, cómodo. Comfortable, okay? Cómodo. Ugly, feo. Strange, raro. Tasty, delicioso. Or you can say delicious. It's the same, okay? Wonderful, maravilloso. Okay? Pretty, bonito. Okay? And if you notice, those adjectives describe your opinion about something. That's why they are called like opinion or value adjectives, okay? The second type of adjective are size, okay? Size in Spanish, tamaño, okay? O talla. And here we have some examples: short, big, small, and tall. Short, big, small, and tall. Okay. Do you know the meaning of those adjectives? Do you know the meaning of any of those adjectives? ¿Saben el significado de algunos de estos adjetivos? Short, big, small, and
Sí,
tall.
la mayoría.
The first one, short.
Corto,
Big.
grande,
Grande.
Ah, okay. Small.
pequeño,
Tall.
alto.
Alto. That's right. That's why they called size, because they describe and they describe and the size. Okay. I don't know what other way I can explain. Short, corto, big, grande, small, pequeño, tall, alto, skinny, delgado, okay, little, pequeño, huge, gigante, huge. Okay, huge, gigante, little, pequeño, okay. Age or temperature, okay. For example, new, old, young, hot, and cold. New, nuevo. Old, viejo, okay. Young, joven. Hot, cold. Hot and caliente and cold, frío, okay. Hot and cold are temperature adjectives, and new, old, and young are age adjectives, okay. They allow to the same category, okay. Shape or form. Shape, forma, okay. Brown, fat, thin, square, okay. Round, redondo, fat, gordo. Then, delgado, square, cuadrado, triangular, triangular, diamond, diamante, forma. Okay, those adjectives are for forma, okay, shape or form. Color adjectives, red, black, blue, green. Do you know the colors in English, guys? Can you tell me a color in English, please?
Yellow,
Rojo,
blue,
A ver, Jorge.
green.
lo dije en español lo dije.
Ah,
Lo siento.
okay. Tell me a color in English. Okay, for example, how do you say amarillo in English?
Yellow,
Yellow, okay. How do you say café in English?
brown,
Brown, okay. Red, rojo, black, negro, blue, blue, azul, green, verde, okay. And here we have adjectives that describe origin, okay? For example, Spanish, American, French, and you can say the nationalities, okay? American, French, Mexican, Nisian, and Argentinian, European, okay? What other, I don't know, Alondra, do you know in adjective, in origin adjective? Alondra, do you know?
sí, algunos.
For example, can you tell me?
Pues como por ejemplo los que aparecen en la tabla, o sea,
Ajá,
que
yeah.
español o estadounidense o francés,
But
o bueno,
in English,
sería pues Spanish, American, French, Japanese,
Japanese,
Mexican,
Chinese, Mexican, Argentine.
Chinese,
Yeah,
esos.
that's right. European, Europeo, Indian, Indio. Yeah. Also indigenous, indígena, okay. And here we have the adjectives for material. For example, silver, cotton, paper, iron, okay. Silver, plata, okay. Cotton, algodón. Paper, papel. Iron, okay. For example, gold. Gold is and oro, okay. Wooden, de madera, okay. Plastic, plástico, okay. Use, and those adjectives describe the use of the thing, okay. For example, electric, political, academic, académico, okay. And the last one, name. For example, do you know how to say mochila in English?
Backpack, ¿no?
But another way of saying Mochila, otra forma.
No.
Okay, I brought you in the comments, okay? School bag, okay? Letterly in Spanish, bolsa de la escuela, but in reality, it means mochila, okay? Para la escuela, okay? School is a name adjective. Bath towel is toalla para el baño, okay? Bath is also an adjective, okay? Okay, you have to, when you are going to describe a thing and you have to use different adjectives, you have to follow an order, okay? And this is the order. First, you have to place and the opinion adjective, later the size adjective, then the age or temperature adjective, and so on, okay? Es el orden de los adjetivos, okay? And remember that you have to take notes, okay? Or I don't know if you want to take a screenshot so that you can remember this information, because later we're going to do some activities, and this is going to be useful for you so that you can remember, okay? We have some examples here. In the first sentence, we are describing a book, un libro, using two adjectives, okay? Small. Small is a size adjective, okay? And black is a color adjective, okay? So if you notice, first, you have to place small, okay? Small. Because it's the second one that you have to place. And later the color, okay? So you have to follow the order, okay? The second sentence, ready, is an opinion adjective, ready, okay? So you have to place that adjective first. And later, Spanish is an origin adjective, Spanish, okay? Tienen que seguir el orden de los adjetivos, no los pueden poner como ustedes quieran. A large class table. Here we are using two adjectives to describe a table, okay? Large, which is a size adjective. Large is a size adjective. Glass is a material adjective. Glass is vidrio in Spanish, okay? Una mesa grande de vidrio, okay? A wonderful old city. Wonderful is in opinion adjective, okay? Is the first one, opinion, wonderful, okay? Old is in age adjective, okay? Age adjective, adjetivo de edad. Old is viejo, Spanish, okay? A wonderful old city, una ciudad vieja y maravillosa, okay? Well, before I pass to the next activity, I want to ask you if you have any question, guys. Do you have any questions?
No.
Did you take notes?
Yes.
Okay. I hope so. Okay, remember that this meeting is going to finish soon, so you have to rejoin again, okay? Esta reunión va a terminar, entonces recuerden que se tienen que reunir otra vez. Okay, and in those sentences that we have here, we have to order the adjectives, okay? For example, in this sentence, we have a noun, which is table, okay? And we have an article, which is a. The article is placed first, okay? And here we have some adjectives, brown, small, and glass, okay? So I want you to tell me the right order of those adjectives, okay? So for example, small is a size adjective, okay? Small. Size, okay? Small. So I have to place first that adjective as small. Later we have brown. Brown is a shape adjective, so I have to place, and I have to place it after small, okay? Brown. And glass is a material adjective, okay? And finally, I have to place the noun that I'm describing, okay? Which is table, okay? A small round glass table, una mesa pequeña, redonda y de vidrio, okay? So I want you to tell me the right order of those adjectives in the following sentences, okay? So for example, this one, we have French, okay, city. In article, the article is placed at first, okay? Old and wonderful. Okay, first, and I want you to tell me what is the noun, cuál es el sustantivo that we are describing, que estamos describiendo. Do you have any idea of those words? What is the noun that we are describing?
¿No sería city?
City, okay. So we are going to place city at the end of a phrase, okay? Vamos a poner ciudad al final de la frase, porque es el sustantivo que estamos describiendo, okay? Just like table, we place table at the end of our phrase, okay? So now I want you to tell me the right order of those adjectives, French and old and wonderful, okay? What adjective do I have to place at first? ¿Qué adjetivo tengo que poner al principio? Remember that you have to take into account this table, okay? Okay. Did you take notes, right?
Yes.
Okay. Alondra, do you have any idea?
A ver. Según veo en la tabla que escribí, lo primero que pondríamos sería primero